Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a payment voucher in Tally Prime. We will begin by navigating to the gateway of Tally. From there, you will select vouchers to access the transaction entry screen. This initial step is crucial for ensuring all your outgoing payments are properly recorded and accounted for within your financial system, maintaining clear and organized records. Once you are on the voucher screen, locate and click the payment button, or simply press the F5 key on your keyboard. This action will directly open the payment voucher entry screen. Before proceeding, always verify that the transaction date is accurate, as this ensures your financial records reflect the correct period for all payments made. Now, it's time to input the transaction specifics. First, select the relevant bank or cash ledger from which the payment is being made. Next, choose the ledger for the party or expense that is receiving the payment. Finally, enter the precise payment amount and add a clear narration to describe the transaction, ensuring all details are accurately captured. After entering all the necessary details, simply press Enter to accept and save your payment voucher. Once saved, you can easily review this voucher by navigating to the daybook or by checking the relevant ledger reports. This final step confirms that your payment has been successfully recorded and is readily available for future reference and auditing purposes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.